Hi, this is Cam with Even Better Apps with a quick walkthrough of how to set up Send to Many to add multi-recipient checkout to your storefront. The app allows recipients to add one or more products to their cart and then add multiple recipients to a single checkout. They can customize the product mix for each recipient, and we have tons of options for how you customize this experience to make it work the way you want to for your customers. So let's jump into settings in Send to Many and go to our multi-recipient checkout, and I'll walk you through all of the settings. We'll come back to the theme editor, but the app is added as an app block in the theme editor, and it's fully customizable in terms of look and feel. We have a bunch of different settings that you can use to manage the experience and how the orders get generated. You can offer calculated shipping rates that are available on free or flat shipping. You can also add a shipping schedule, allowing customers to pick when they want their orders to ship from your store. And you've got a bunch of parameters to control those shipping dates, min and max date ranges, as well as disabling or enabling specific days of the week or even specific holidays so that those are blackout dates from your shipping. We also have shipping rate filters. If you have certain rates that are coming up in the app that you don't want to appear in the app, you can add a text filter to exclude those from your display. When the child orders get generated, you can also choose how you want those to appear, whether you want them to use zero revenue values, or you can choose to have the calculated values appear in the order. You can also tag these orders however you like with different tags for the child orders as well as the parent orders, and some options here for whether you want to allow discounts to be applied to these orders. For each recipient, you can control what kind of information gets gathered on each row of the multi-recipient checkout. You can control whether you want a company name, an email address, and then whether it's required or not. And you can control whether these values get filled down in the checkout. So for instance, you would likely want gift message to be filled down. And you can also choose how these values get saved to the child orders in your send. The same kinds of options are available for additional form fields that are captured at the parent level. And you can choose whether these values also get added to the child orders in the send. And then let's take a minute to look at upsell discounts. We offer the ability to encourage your customers to increase the number of recipients or the order value of their multi-recipient order. And you can offer an upsell discount based on the number of recipients or the total value across all of the recipients in the send. The discounts can be percentage off, fixed amount off, or even free shipping. And we give you control over when that upsell message starts to appear. And in this case, we've got a recipient count discount set up with 2 tiers at 5 and 10 recipients with a 10 and 15% discount and a message that will appear in the upsell message. Now let's take a quick look at how the app is configured in the theme editor. The whole experience happens on your Shopify store. We don't take you off to another store or pages on your own site that you don't have full control over. Everything is fully configurable in the theme editor. So you can add our app block to a page template, a collection template. Any page on your site can have our app block. Once you've added the app block to the page, you can fully customize the look and feel of the app block. We've got a ton of settings exposed, and if you know your way around CSS, you can use custom CSS to style any of the remaining components of the page. And then once you publish that, that'll appear in your store, and it just works automatically. So that's a quick look at Send to Many and how you get multi-recipient checkout onto your storefront to let your customers send to more recipients from a single order and increase your revenue and average order size, especially during this upcoming gifting season. Thank you very much.